In primetime news this evening, legal discord. Attorney General criticized for comments on SOE detention ruling. And ex-convicts and COVID. Job cuts because of the pandemic leave little options for persons released from prison.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Financial Week, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime and Weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, have you been monitoring the passage of Tropical Storm Gonzalo?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.